Hello, this is Chad. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your wheel on a Toro CCR snowblower. Now these are the caps or nuts that don't have any threads. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to take my locking pliers and I'm going to put it on the cap. So I put it around the top of the cap, and then I'm going to rock it back and forth and lift at the same time. So this is going to take a minute or so to get this thing off, but almost got it off. And there it is. So now I can take my new wheel, stick it back on the shaft, and then I can just take my cap and stick that on too. Use a mallet to make sure it's nice and snug, and that's it. You don't have to buy a new cap, and all you have to buy is the wheel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.